July 29, 2024 here at the Dark Lofts. So we're doing some feeding and then we're gonna whistle. We cut the ration down to half because tomorrow we probably gonna open the door in the afternoon and let the birds out for the first time. It's risky, but that's why we're cutting the food in half so that they be a little bit more hungry and hopefully they don't fly away. So we got Lexi and Jace, they're gonna be doing the feeding and then we'll go whistle as we feed. But right there, look at that bird, he's on the door. Okay, so okay, let them eat a little bit. You can put them on that side wood. I mean wire. Okay, okay, Jace.
They haven't ate.
Yeah, there's a nice egg back there. The black and white hen, I believe, laid that. One of the black and whites. So yeah, they're not gonna be totally satisfied with this meal, but that's the whole point. Hopefully cut down on any birds flying away. Hopefully there's no losses tomorrow. But yeah, the training continues. So the Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii. Oh yeah. Boom.
Boom.